Hello, traders. Welcome back to our daily trade journal series where I try to journal every session because I think accountability is the key to real growth as a trader. And, and I pledge to do this process until I make like 120K this year. So today was a tough day. After a bunch of up and downs, I am at $46.25 negative. There was some points in the day. Actually, no, there was no point in the day I would have been positive because I started the day pretty red and it was just trying to recover from there. And the reason that happened was because I kind of started the day a little bit late. I missed the opportunity for the perfect short here, um, which was at the MOB where the market went to the MOB and then went down. That would have been the perfect short. It would have made a lot of money there, and I could have like probably had a better day. Because I missed that short, the next opportunity for me to short was at this MOB here at 959, where market structure was bearish still. So I took a short there. I could have exited anywhere for a small profit if I wanted to, but it wasn't a 5 point drop, so it was very hard for me to take profit in that range. And then eventually it started breaking out. We had an X7 buy signal, and we also have market structure flipping bullish in this range here. And that naturally carried it up. And I guess I could have flipped directions at any given point here, but I didn't because I was married to that trade. And then eventually it stopped me out at the top of it and then eventually reversed direction. So it was a pretty messed up move on the worst day. I could have gotten tilt on a day like this. So naturally at this point, the next play you want to do is you want to buy at the MOB here because market structure is still bullish at this point. And then eventually at 11:30 we had a sell signal, and that was somewhere around here. So you want to short again 6300. Apparently we hit 6310, which kind of hit the top of my stop loss, and that took me out. Took another loss there, so that signal didn't work out 11:30 that well. Eventually, if I had a slightly 1 or 2 point higher stop loss, I could have probably made money and shorted back to the MOB here. Um, so it was pretty rough day. Things were going against me in a sense, but I guess if I had just bought here at the MOB, it would have been safe too, considering market structure was still bullish. I think the main lesson here is just timing the entries carefully. If I had just 2 points better on my entries, my stop loss would have been higher and it wouldn't have stopped me out. And sometimes missing that can cost you a huge day, because it's like this: you have two paths in a row, and if you happen to take the wrong path, it's so much harder for you to come back and get on the right path, and that's what happened today. But wasn't super tilted. Just traded and waited very patiently the last few trades, and eventually got close to break even. So proud of myself for that. On the news front, we didn't have anything crazy. We had a big tariff threat from last night, and if you guys saw that, the levels from last night, or if you saw the videos from last night, I mentioned 6290 and 6280s are as major levels that we want to see hold, and I think we did pretty well there today. So going into tomorrow, or well, not necessarily tomorrow, but Monday, I think those will continue to be our key levels. We want to watch the 6290. As long as we're above 6290, I think we're bullish. And then we want to watch 6280s as well. If we really lose 6280s without getting reclaimed, so like over here, it looks like it's being lost here a little bit, right? But that's actually just that level being defended. And same thing here. We touched it real quick. It didn't really get lost. It got defended and we bounced right back up. So I will continue to watch those levels going into the next trading day, which is Monday, or even Sunday night. And if those levels continue to hold, then we will continue to be bullish. I won't be bearish unless we lose 60 to 80s. And, you know, as long as we're above 60 to 90s, I think we're in bullish mode, which means we are in buy the dip mode until otherwise. So hope that helps. I hope you guys had a better trading week than me. This week was a little bit rough for me, and hoping for next week to be better. I know it will be better. And have fun and enjoy your weekend, guys. Take care.